Ever wondered how to find the derivative of a function that's a multiplication of two other functions? Today we're tackling a classic, differentiating x cubed cosine of x. First, let's visualize our function. We have x cubed, our first part, and cosine of x, our second part. The key to differentiating products is the product rule. Think of it like a recipe. It tells us exactly how to combine the derivatives of each part. Let's identify our q and v. Here, u is x cubed, and v is cosine of x. Now, we need their derivatives. The derivative of u prime, is 3x squared, and the derivative of v prime, is negative sine of x. With our ingredients ready, we plug them into the product rule formula, u prime versus plus uv prime. This gives us 3x squared cosine of x minus x cubed sine of x.